Guys, another round of draw has actually proved that even the PNP nomination draws are going lower in points. That is when on the March 2nd, Ontario invited about 754 candidates from Express Entry for the PNP. More details of this particular situation in this video. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, but right now I'm traveling to India. So if you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen. Please also make a note of the regular phone call number, which is my Indian number nowadays, because I'm not picking up regular calls on the Canadian number. Guys, before we move ahead, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like button if you're watching this video for the first time and if you're on this channel for the first time, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant, if you want to be updated, then this is the channel you must be on. Guys, let's just quickly get on with the topic of the day, which is Ontario PNP, the recent draw on March 2nd held by the province of Ontario was big yet again. 754 candidates were invited, and surprisingly, the invitation points dropped to 463. So, technically, people between 463 and 467 were invited, and this draw happened yesterday, only today is the March 3rd in India. 10 occupations were picked up, and I'll just read them one by one so that you know if you have been in the pool with these following occupations between a score, then you should definitely check your inboxes to see if you've been invited or not. Guys, first things first have been banking and credit and other investment managers as 0122, advertising, marketing and public relationship managers 0124, other business service managers 0125, corporate sales managers 0601, financial auditors and accountants 1111, financial and investment analysts 1112, human resources professionals 1121, professional occupations in business management consulting 1122, registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses 3012, business development officers and marketing researchers and consultants 4163. So guys, these were the 10 occupations that were picked up yesterday, and in fact this was identical to the previous draw as well. Surprisingly, Ontario has dropped the CRS because the last time it was pretty high, but then it was kind of expected. If you look at my last video, I had mentioned that since the overall Canadian experience class draw was at 75, that meant the entire cream that was sitting inside Canada was already invited. So as expected, the regular FSW or the PNP draws were expected to drop, and this is what I had expected. But fortunately things have been in line, and this is a fortunate event for a lot of people who've been in the pool sitting at 463 waiting for an invitation. So let's hope the FSW draw also follows this same kind of a fashion. We haven't seen an FSW federal skilled worker draw so far in the year 2021. A lot of people are waiting for it, even we are waiting for it, and let's hope we get to see one really soon. Until then, I wish all the best to all the people who've been invited. Hearty congratulations. If you need any help with your files, if you want to apply, get your documents checked, we are more than happy to help. Please book a consultation on the number on the screen. You can send a WhatsApp message, or my coordinates are there on the website as well. Once again guys, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.